A very pleasant day to one and all. I'm Dr. C. Janita Nancy, Assistant Professor belonging to the Department of Mathematics, PPG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. We are going to see the brief history of operations research. Operations research originated during the World War II when military leaders needed scientific methods to make better strategic and tactical decisions. Teams of scientists, mathematicians, and engineers in countries like the UK and US were brought together to analyze military operations such as radar placement, convoy protection, and resource allocation. One of the early pioneers, named Patrick Blackett, led a group known as Blackett Circus, which applied scientific analysis to improve military efficiency and effectiveness. Their success demonstrated how mathematical and analytical methods could solve complex real world problems. After the war, OR techniques were adapted for civilian use in industries like manufacturing, transportation, and business management. With the rise of computers in the 1950s and 60s, operations research expanded rapidly, enabling more complex models and optimization techniques. Today, OR is widely used in areas such as supply chain management, finance, healthcare, and logistics to support data driven decision making. Now, the main aspects of OR, system orientation, focuses on the entire system rather than individual parts, considering all interrelated components. Scientific approach uses scientific methods, data analysis, and logical reasoning to solve problems. Interdisciplinary teamwork involves experts from different fields like mathematics, engineering, economics, and management. Mathematical modeling. Real world problems are represented using mathematical models for analysis and solution. Optimization techniques aims to find the best optimal solution under given constraints. Example, minimize cost, maximize profit. Uses of computers relies heavily on computers for solving complex calculations and large-scale problems. Decision-making aid helps managers make informed and rational decisions. Handling uncertainty uses probability and statistics to deal with uncertain situations. Focus on practical solutions provides workable and implementable solutions rather than just theoretical results. And finally, continuous improvement. Solutions are reviewed and refined as new data or conditions arise. Now we are going to see the main methods used in operations research. It includes linear programming, which optimizes a linear objective function subject to linear constraints. Nonlinear programming deals with optimization problems where relationships are nonlinear. Integer programming finds solutions where variables must be whole numbers. Dynamic programming breaks complex problems into smaller subproblems and solves them step by step. Queuing theory analyzes waiting lines to improve service efficiency and reduce delays. Game theory studies decision making in competitive situations. Simulation uses models to imitate real-life systems and test different scenarios. Inventory models determines optimal ordering and storage policies. Network analysis such as PERT and CPM helps in planning, scheduling, and controlling projects. Markov analysis studies systems that change states over time with certain probabilities. Advantages of OR. Better decision making. OR provides a scientific and logical basis for making decisions. Optimal use of resources. Ensures efficient utilization of manpower, money, materials, and time. Improved planning. Helps in effective planning and forecasting. Cost reduction. Minimizes cost and maximizes profits through optimization techniques. Increased efficiency. Improves overall system performance and productivity. Handling complex problems. Capable of solving complicated real-world problems systematically. Objective approach reduces personal bias by relying on data and analysis. Better control. OR assists management in monitoring and controlling operations. Time saving helps in faster decision making with the use of models and computers. Flexibility can be applied to various fields like business, industry, healthcare, and logistics. Finally, the applications of OR. In production and manufacturing, OR optimizes production planning, scheduling, and quality control. In inventory management, OR determines optimal stock levels and ordering policies. In transportation and logistics, OR improves routing, scheduling, and distribution of goods. In supply chain management, OR enhances coordination between suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. In healthcare, OR helps in hospital resource allocation, staff scheduling, and patient flow management. In finance, OR assists in portfolio selection, risk analysis, and investment decisions. In marketing, OR supports pricing strategies, advertising decisions, and market research. In human resource management, OR optimizes workforce planning and job assignment. In project management, OR uses techniques like PERT and CPM for planning and scheduling projects. In defense and military, OR is applied in strategy planning, resource allocation, and logistics. Thank you all.